harvest season. What would be after you how old were you when you first started working in the field picking cotton, Daddy?
5.
You were 5?
Yeah,
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So what would be your advice to somebody who has sown seed and they feel like, man, our harvest hasn't come, you know?
You gotta be faithful.
Be faithful.
If you're not willing to chop the weeds, hoe the grass, and do some work, it's not gonna do. It's just like becoming a little Christian when you start out.
Daddy, look at me.
Sometimes it looks easy, but it's not, because you got hills to climb.
You do?
And spiritual things don't come no easier than working
That's right,
with
Daddy.
your hands.
That's right.
So I'm just proud the Lord